Ever wonder what insect makes this song? This is known in Guyana as a 6 o'clock bee. Its correct name is actually Cicada and it lives for up to 17 years. No, you know, so you don't